What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today might be our last chance to get a hold of some creek smallmouth. So we've driven over to the spot I like to come over here in West Nashville and call it Crystal Clear Creek. It's got a rock bottom, super clear water, and usually you can find some pretty good smallmouth. So we're gonna be traversing back here. Like I said, so far, fall season's coming to an end and the leaves have changed. They're starting to fall. Look behind me here. Can't really see a lot of leaves left out this direction, but did see some beautiful colors on the way over here. So we're gonna get out here and try, hopefully, because we got about 3.5 miles to get back to the one spot that I've gotten to. We may go further. Really depends on how long it takes me to get back there and how many fish we might find along the way. So you never know. We're gonna try and hopefully find us some fish today. So hold on tight, guys. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go try to catch some fish. This next stretch is really long, so we're gonna cut it off here, walk our way. We'll come back in if I get any catches, but we'll see when we come back. Now, there's at least one decent one in here, but we have to try it on the way back with a different lure, maybe, or maybe after the day gets going a little longer they might be a little more active. No telling for sure, but we're gonna keep going. Finally got into the first set of bridges. Goodness, such a long walk. Hopefully we'll still get somewhere. So we're still batting for 0 at the moment, so hopefully we'll get on something soon. Help get our adrenaline going so we can push forward. All right, we'll see you at the next spot. There we go, we got our first fish. First fish. Oh, it's a rock bass, hopefully. I think I see it's a rock bass. Came out, that's what I expected it to be right there. Goodness gracious, it's been a slow morning. Thankfully, this rock bass, the skunk has broken. And there he is. First fish of the day. All the way back here at the second bridge. I'll check my clock here in a minute, figure out how long I've been walking. Try to find this guy. Thank you so much for biting, friend. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your beauty with us. See you, bud. Alright, so we've been out here for over an hour. Finally found our first fish. Had to super finesse it out underneath that log. There we go. Fish number 2. Don't know if I've got the hook set good enough yet or not, but what we got here? Right here at the rock bluff wall, coming up to it. All right, got ourselves another nice little rock bass. They used to tend to like the buggy things more than the fishy things, so I can easily see why we're getting more rock bass today than smallmouth. But thank you, friend. Appreciate you biting. All right, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit. We're going with What I was using before, before I got into this one, was the J-Bros Sentinel. I'm using the J-Bros, no, that's the J-Bros Jester. This is the J-Bros Sentinel. So lots of ways you can rig this up. I just use a jig head for the most part, and do it like that right there. That's a little terrible. Let me come down a little bit. Try to make sure there's enough room for it to stick out nice and good. Has a lot of good little action on those little appendages, so maybe we'll get some more attention here. And also with a darker color, we'll see. So, all right. A lot of like slabs here. So I'm gonna run it across without getting stuck on any of them, but okay. Just watching my, there we go, third fish. Finally found the target species of the day. Trying to reel it in, and the thing was kind of going in a certain direction, and I was like, I don't think that's the current. Little guy's got it in there good. There it goes. Sweet. Alrighty. Look how yellow this smallmouth is. Super yellow. Beautiful fish though. Awesome. Little bitty guy. This may be our only smallmouth of the day. Hopefully not, but we got one anyways. So third fish and smallmouth. Alright buddy, thank you for biting. See you, friend. Alrighty. About to hit our longest stretch of walking yet, I think. I can't remember how far it is from this hole to the next big bluff wall from here. But I'm gonna try a couple little casts down here below. A little trickle here. There we go. Oh goodness, bigger than I thought it was going to be. Good size one here. Let's see what we got here. Is a smallie? Looks like it might be another smallmouth. Come here, you. All right. Awesome. Biggest fish of the day. Woo. Awesome. Sweet. They're on the Sentinel. Next little smallmouth. Look how chubby the guy is. He's ready for fall. Eating up right there in that little nook. Getting him some yummy, yummy foods. Very cool. Beautiful fish. As always. Alright, get back out there. Find you some more food, friend. See ya. Place looks a lot different than it did last time we were here. But this is the turning point. Hopefully we'll catch at least one here. We can go on our way and get back. Just looked at the clock a second ago and kind of had a little panic attack because of what time it was. We can start heading our way back anyways. Unfortunately, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any of these big old ones here. Lost sight of them. but we're going to be using the swim bait on the way back. Try to get ourselves back on time. Alright, here we go. Traversing 3 miles and not enough time. Oh goodness, I had a bite. Had the bite. Goodness, he took it all. Alright. Plan worked. Alright, seems like I finally found the right color, but it's not able to hook the one that bit the modified setup I had. There we go, got one. We got one. There we go. Slobbered it up. Another little bitty smallmouth here on the way back. Sweet. There we go. Beautiful little guy. Thank you for biting. I was getting worried. Have a good day. There we go. We got another one. Looking like a different fish type now this time though. Alright, yes we do. Let's see if it's a spotty or a largie. Alright. There we go, goodness. You had a struggle there, Bubba. That's actually a little largie. There we go. A little largie here in the creek. Very cool. I think that's number 6. Thank you for biting. Apologize for the struggle. See you, friend. Oh, there's actually a fish on there. Ooh, decent size one here. Let me get him in before I lose him. There we go. I was just speed casting, speed running. And there's a fish on there. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious, look how barely I had that thing hooked. Look at that. Just ever so barely. Awesome, number 7. Okay. Changing up the style. Faster pace is actually working out better now in the afternoon. But man, I'm still in a rush to get back. So, thank you, friend. Appreciate you for biting. Meow. That was kind of funny though. Cast it and bopping around, all of a sudden it kept going upstream, and I was like, well, I know I'm walking, but I don't think I should be going that way. Sure enough, fishy fishy. Had 3 of them fighting over it. At least 3 of them. Get out of the weeds. There we go. At least 3 of them were fighting over it down there. That chartreuse, I think, is doing a lot to help out. Plus, like I said, it's further in the day. Finding them a little easier all of a sudden. Get down here so I can put them in the water. Thank you, friend. Well, I think he had it. go. Got another one. It's a rock bass this time, or is it a smallie? Looks like it might be another rock bass. Awesome. Rock bass from the hole. Oh, I barely didn't get a good hook set on him, but we caught him. Another little rock bass on the day. Man, it's turned out to be a way better day on the way back. I wonder if it's just the time of day or what. See you, friend. Thank you for biting. Big old little spotted bass right there. See if I can't get that one. He seems hungry. And maybe just did. They're more hungry now than they were earlier today. There we go. I think I got him. And I got the one that was, yep, sure enough is. It's exactly the one that was chasing just then and splashed. Look at this guy. Oh, nice, nice bass. Nice creek bass. And that was the one I was going for too. That's the coolest part. Targeted that guy. He was chasing some stuff. Ooh, he got a boo-boo. Ooh. Go. There we go. There we go. Look at that guy. This is a largie. It is a largie back up here. Look how beautiful and dark it is. It's got a little boo-boo on the other side. Not sure what happened, but there we go. Targeted that guy who was chasing him in up into the shallows. All right, let's let him go. Biggest one of the day, I think. Oop. Come on, buddy. Meow. Sweet. It's so wild that now I'm getting bites. Struggling all morning long to get bites, and I've gotten several fish in the past several minutes. So just goes to show you, it's all kind of little factors can go into having a productive fishing day. Color of your lure, time, all kind of stuff. I'm gonna be so tired. It's a big old party going on right here. All right, realist, that's gonna be it. Thank y'all for coming along. Started off really, really slow, and then there's that moment there that I realized I ran out of time and we had to start hoofing it back. But all of a sudden, the combination of the time of day, this guy right here with the top and the chartreuse bottom, was like almost like a can't remember the name of the color. Ugh, I'm tired. Time to get some food. Like I said, we caught some fish today, and so this might have been the last chance we were going to be able to get out in the creek before it gets way too cold, but you never know. Hopefully we will. Like I said, as always, if you guys haven't had a chance to check out some of the other videos, check them out right here. And thank you guys as always. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.